What's the meaning of BAFTA? BAFTA. BAFTA.
BAFTA. BAFTA. BAFTA stands for the British Academy of Film and Television Arts. It is an independent charity that supports, promotes and develops the art forms of the moving image in the UK. The BAFTA Awards are one of the most prestigious award ceremonies in the world of film and television. Since its establishment in 1947, BAFTA has become a globally recognized institution, which aims to recognize and reward excellence in the fields of film and television. It also provides funding and training to young filmmakers and works to promote diversity and inclusion in the industry. The annual BAFTA Awards ceremony attracts some of the most talented creatives from around the world.